Perhaps be a final deal between the BJP and the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra for the upcoming assembly elections, a day after the Prime Minister's intervention. Sources are telling your channel that the BJP has agreed to the Shiv Sena's demand of 151 seats in the Maharashtra polls. Now, let us tell you that traditionally the Shiv Sena would contest 169 seats, whereas the BJP would contest 119. This time, however, riding on the wave of success after the general elections, the parlays between the two parties had led to the BJP demanding at least 15 to 20 more seats. Now, we do understand an agreement has been reached. Aishwarya joining us for more on this. Now, Aishwarya, we are being told that they have reached some sort of a seats sharing agreement, and the BJP has agreed to 125, which is about 10 less than they had been pitching for.
Well, that's right, Tina. This is what we are being told by our sources, that it has only happened after yesterday's intervention by none other but the Prime Minister himself. BJP state cadre has rather accepted 125 seats and given 151 to the to their partner Shiv Sena, and then 12 seats to the other regional parties. As you just mentioned, BJP state cadre had been pushing for an equal amount of seats this time around, that is 135 and 35. After the Sena leadership making it very clear that there is no move to give equal amount of seats, and specifically 135 to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and after yesterday's intervention by another, but the Prime Minister making it clear that the alliance needs to go ahead. 5 or 10 seats won't make that much of a difference. BJP state cadre, we are being told, has agreed to come down to 125. That is 10 seats less than the other. But BJP and Shiv Sena, as we all know, has been there together for more than 2.5 decades. Thus, keeping all of this in mind and keeping in mind the importance of the state of Maharashtra, BJP Sena has been out for 15 years. Thus, after Prime Minister intervention yesterday and today, BJP National President Amit Shah being in Mumbai for the next 48 hours, we are being told that an official announcement of the same could happen within the next few hours, or even later in the evening. There are a meeting between these two party presidents, and it's after that when an official announcement.
Aishwarya, Clearly, Aishwarya, there is a softening of stance from the BJP after the bypoll results that came in yesterday, which were kind of disappointing for them, because until just a few days ago, it had reached a point where the Shiv Sena was perhaps even talking about the ties between the two long-term allies being snapped because of the demand that the BJP was putting in for the seat sharing. But now, with the slightly changed circumstances, the BJP stepping back a little bit?
Well, right, because Sena had been pretty adamant on this point. They have been saying ever since day one that they are not ready to give equal amount of seats. They had been saying that when it's Lok Sabha elections, it's a completely different ball game, that this is Maharashtra assembly polls and Shiv Sena is the bigger player here, and this time around they have been able to push their weight once again. And this is happening right just a day after, 24 hours after BJP in a way has taken up batting in these bypolls, as you mentioned. So yes, it is BJP is on the back foot. It's only after yesterday's intervention issue. An impromptu meeting was called yesterday by the Prime Minister himself, and he made it very clear that this alliance between BJP and Shiv Sena needs to go on. Ever since day one, the BJP state unit had been saying that they are hopeful that in the Modi wave they will have equal amount of cooperation in these assembly polls.